dip, kuliki daga da, kuliki daga dip, kuliki daga da. Samadaga tiki taka tiki, samadaga tiki taka tiki, samadaga tiki taka tiki, samadaga tiki taka. Kuliki daga, kuliki daga, kuliki daga, kuliki daga. Samadaga tiki taka.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ruthie Patootie here, and I am here with a vlog. But before we get into the vlog, I want to talk a little bit about the hair that I'm wearing in this video. The hair is from Ali Annabelle on AliExpress. I'm wearing an 18-inch closure that's like a HD lace, and then 20, 22, and 24 inches of deep wave hair. Here I'm just showing you guys the dye, the color, the equipment that I use to get the color that I'm wearing. I'm not a professional, so I couldn't do a tutorial because, to be honest, I was watching tutorials to help me get the desired outcome. So I ended up making a wig using all the hair that was sent to me. I watched Tierra Monet's Why Your Closure Wig Sucks, or I can't remember the exact title, but I'll leave it in the description box below. I realized that I'm over frontals for now. We'll see how long that lasts, but I just cannot deal with hairlines and baby hairs and all that. With the closure, you're really just concerned with a smaller surface area, which I think I can handle. So for applying the wig, all I do is spray some Got2b spray, use my hair dryer to make my forehead, I guess you could say, a little bit tacky. And then I'm able to glue or lay the closure down. I go back in with some mousse and and a brush or a comb to lay the baby hairs down. This was actually my first time using a closure or a frontal that was made with transparent lace, and guys, it makes all the difference. You can see here how it actually looks like my scalp. It looks like the thing is growing from my own head, and I didn't have to do the ball cap method or all that extra stuff. To take things a step further, what you could do is tint the lace. I do not have lace tint, so I wasn't able to try that, but point for next time. For styling the remainder of the hair, I just spray it with water and again go back in with some mousse or a leave-in conditioner of your choice. You'll see me do that later in the video, and voila, you are all set and good to go. So it's the night before Miami, and I just finished filming a segment of this video. What I need to do for the rest of the night, and my flight is at freaking 6 in the morning, meaning I need to be up by 4 in the morning, and right now it is 11:30 at night, so you know. Team no sleep. Yeah, so I need to finish packing, which I already did most of it last night. I just need to pack like shoes, makeup, accessories, that kind of stuff, but like the clothes and all that, all done. What else do I need to do? Oh, I need to wax. I'm trying to learn how to do it on my own by myself, because I'm tired of giving people my money. I also bought press-on nails because, again, tired of giving people my money. Okay, no more nail salon. I can do it all by myself. I need to chill. But anyway, let's commence packing. I'm here in Miami, guys. I made it. Yay! It's like exactly noon on the dot. Here's our view. 5 out of 7 of us are here, so we're just about to walk around, explore stuff, and so yeah. Look who finally joined us. What do you mean, look who finally joined us? Peas!
Your makeup is probably on my shirt now.
Give her about 5-11 seconds. She won't look like a different person.
Yep. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why do you have Netflix on your phone? What shows have you been watching? I feel like this is 72 Questions by Vogue.
Oh,
what
yeah.
shows have you been watching on Netflix? What are your top 3 shows on Netflix?
I don't really watch shows. The Office is still something. I'm still on like season 6 of The Office.
Oh, you have a Tasty app. So
Peter told me to get it.
Really? Peter has a Tasty app?
Peter texted me, he was like, yo, check out Tasty app.
Are you serious? Like randomly texting me?
Randomly texted me. Peter can cook.
Oh yeah, that's cute. anything other than spaghetti?
No, seriously.
Peter's my brother, our brother, by the way.
Peter made really good salmon, chicken.
Okay.
The ribs were okay. Oh, and then shrimp kebabs. They were actually pretty good.
Okay, Pedro.
My brother's independent. He don't need no woman. Can I use your bronzer or your blush?
Right. We are ready.
Yeah, we are.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Yeah. Really? Everybody ready?
No, they're not ready.
You ready? They're ready? So tall. Alright, the dance is learning. Ready? 1, 2,
Which one?
3. The one where we go like. You're gonna be handing me hair as I do this.
Okay. This song.
Woo! Have
you seen the video?
Yes. Honey, can you help me finish this while I do the other side? Rise up, sky up, heart up, through the springs, through the night. Oh, really? Did she just mess into the spirit? She sure did. So you guys, what I did last night was, actually this morning when I woke up, ooh, there's the light. So this morning when I woke up, I just wet the strands. I didn't immerse the hair entirely in water. Then I used some of Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie. And I feel like I was trying to go for the wet look. And I kind of got it. But I'm really feeling this. What do you guys think? What you think? So we're trying to do something more adventurous. Jet ski, jet boat, or a banana boat. Neither of us know how to swim, so you can imagine. Wait, so if we do jet ski, will an instructor be the one controlling the...
No, we're doing it. We're driving
by yourself.
It's like a motorbike.
I don't think I want to do a jet ski.
All or nothing.
Wait,
are you serious?
Nothing.
So we'll have to get 5 jet skis?
Yes.
we don't. Let's just find out rates and stuff. I don't know how any of this costs.
Alright. We're about to go on this banana boat. Hey!
For us.
Yes.
She said 50-50 chance.
50-50 chance someone will fall into the water. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 3 people.
2.
I can't swim.
It won't be me.
It will not be me. Oh, I prayed this morning.
Alright guys.
Why we still cute?
This is the after. We don't look like we went through hell and high water.
That was the worst thing I've ever done.
EJ and I both jumped into the freaking ocean.
I almost lost my life. I couldn't get back in.
This one was scary. I was scared. And you know,
You were in there for like 2
there was a
seconds.
jellyfish. So you see.
We had a good time.
We're still good. But shout out to David. Shout out to David.
David.
He really listened to us when we said please slow
When
down.
we had our random impulses, when we said speed up, David.
Alright, we're about to go eat.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Morning! So it is our last day here in Miami. We're gonna explore a little bit, and then my flight, or I leave for the airport at 4 o'clock. It's about to be 11 right now. As you can see, I have a little headscarf over the wig because what I've learned this trip is that got to be glue gel does not work for me. I prefer the spray. I just didn't want to pack it because the bottle is too big. But lesson learned. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Oh, jackfruit. What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
It's not sweet. It's sweet, but it has this weird aftertaste. I'm trying to figure out. What is that? What is that? Taste it. Taste it. Take one. Take one.
Can I sample a piece?
Like it's like a mango pineapple, and then it gets odd, and it's kind of like
Onions.
like a vegetable or something. It just kind of gets gross. I don't like it.
Yeah, that's enough for me, dog. $6. It's 6 or 10? 6. Oh.
Oh, she sent me 6.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
This is like chicken. After eating coconut I just like I feel like that was traumatic. We got coconut rice from this Colombian restaurant yesterday, and it had raisins in it, and it tasted sweet. That just threw us completely off. So now I have trust issues when I ask for rice. So I just got white rice. I actually feel like if I put the beans on the side, it would taste decent.
I think so as well.
Savannah.
Alright, you all, that brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you were able to enjoy seeing the different ways that I styled this hair. It's been through a lot during this trip, but that being said, I will catch you all in my next video. Peace.